So good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about powerhouse unit. You can see here this is the cross section of a powerhouse unit. So first of all, why this powerhouse unit construction is important. So we should know about this, that for housing and protection of the various hydraulic and electrical equipment required for generation of power. So to protect all those things such as spiral casing, turbine, draft tube, generator, we need to construct a powerhouse. Okay, so it consists of three main part. One is substructure. You can see here this is a substructure, intermediate structure and superstructure. Okay, so we are explaining one by one. Substructure. So the substructure, it is a powerhouse. Substructure of a powerhouse consists of a large foundation block. Okay, and constructed monolithically between foundation. This is a foundation and a turbine base, turbine level. Okay, so it is a substructure portion, and it provide a suitable waterways formed within it. Okay, and the draft tube is generally provided casted between this portion. The main purpose of draft tube to discharge the water from turbine to exit gate, and it decrease the velocity of the discharge water. Okay, so this is the main function of draft tube. Second portion part is intermediate structure. The turbine consists, the turbine including their casing, gates wall, houses wall, it lies in the intermediate structure. Okay, you can see here gallery is also there, and a gantry for gate. Okay, and governor is also, gate wall is also here. So these are the intermediate structure. These part are lie in the intermediate structure, and it extends from the top of the draft tube. Okay, means from here to the draft tube to the generator floor. Okay, this is a generator floor. Okay, from which generator may be operated. Okay, the elevation of turbine with respect to the tailwater level is determined by cavitation consideration in case of reaction turbine. Okay, we have already discussed about this. What is cavitation? Okay, you can see the previous video regarding this. Okay, and now we come to the next our main part. This is a superstructure. Okay, so what is superstructure? Superstructure is the main building of the powerhouse, which is constructed above the generator floor. Okay, and it houses the generator. Okay, so it protect the generator unit, and it houses the generator, exciters and other operating equipments. Okay, the turbine is just placed below the generator, and the generator are placed, and the shaft turbines are placed on the generator floor. Okay, all other controlling units like switchboard and the control room may be placed on just above the generator, means on generator floor, near to the generator floor, and generally mezzanine floor is constructed here. So you can see here gantry girder is also placed. Gantry girder is also placed spanning the width of the powerhouse, and is always installed in a powerhouse, generally for carrying the heavy structure one place to the another and lift the heavy structure. And the crane is used for lifting the turbine, okay, for servicing and other heavy equipments and generators also. And a separate gantry girder is provided for the draft tube gates. Okay, so you can see here a separate gantry girder is provided for draft tube gates. And switch yard and the transformers are usually located outside the powerhouse at a ground level. Okay, a penstock is here. Okay, so and other general dimension of a powerhouse in terms of the runner exit diameter. In case of Francis turbine generator installation, you can see the picture here. This is the plan showing the general dimension of the powerhouse unit in case of Francis turbine installation. So this is also important part. Okay, the detailed design of a powerhouse and exact dimension will depend upon a number of factors. So this may be different for different situation. Okay, so this is all about powerhouse unit. We will meet in next lecture with another interesting video. Thank you.